Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. The price line of SLP has broken down another up channel, and in today's video we will analyze, are we going to move more down from here or we can expect a reversal move from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this daily time frame chart, and here we have already seen that the price line was moving inside this down channel for a very long term, and after several touch points, several tests of the resistance and test of the support as well, finally the price line broke out this resistance here on 9th of Feb on the daily time frame, and after breaking out, now we are having some correction. If we take a look at the oscillator, then we can see that there was a bullish divergence behind this breakout, as the RSI was forming another higher low than previous low. And if we take a look at the price line, then above the RSI, price line was forming lower than previous low. So there was a bullish divergence, and while the price line was breaking out this resistance of down channel. Therefore, there is a very high probability that this move to the upside will be continued. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then as in my previous videos, I was showing you that the price line has formed an up channel on the smaller time frame, and it was moving very well between the resistance and support. And here we can see that it was also taking a nice bounce, but could not reach the resistance this time and moved down, broke down the support. Now guys, upcoming supports are really very important. We need to keep an eye on those supports. The first upcoming support we have at 2 cents. That is really very important. And after, sorry, this is not 2 cents. This is at 2.3 cents. We have an upcoming support. You can see here the price line found this support, and here previously it was breaking as a resistance. Then we will have the next support here at 1.75 cents, and that was, I was telling you that while trading this channel can be a risk stop loss as well. I'll tell you why. This is very, very important support at 1.7 cents. Now if we switch back to this chart, then we can see that if I place this trend line of 1.7 cents here at this daily time frame, then you can see here it has been breaking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For more than 12 days, it has been breaking as a very, very strong support. And before this breakout, this breakout from the channel, we can see, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then it will be more visible that we had a rejection here, and again it found a support here, and using this support it took bounce from here and broke out the next resistance. So this is also a recent swing low before the breakout of this channel. Therefore, this support is really very important, and it can be also used as a stop loss, because if this support will be broken down, then we can move down to 1 cent. That is our last support, and also the support of this channel as well. So next few hours are again really very important, because if these supports will be broken down, then we can expect that the price line can move down to 1 cent and the support of the bigger channel. But I'm expecting that after testing this support of 2.3 cents, it can have a reversal move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.